Located in present-day Jones County, Fort Phantom Hill is one of the most pristine historic sites in Texas, sitting on 22 acres of land. It was one of the second line of forts laid out in the early 1850s to protect the westward moving frontier of Texas settlement. Today, Fort Phantom Hill is part of the Texas Forts Trail, a 650-mile highway tour of historic Texas forts in west central Texas. Originally known as the Post on the Clear Fork of the Brazos, the fort was occupied by the U.S. Army from 1851 until 1854. Shortly after the Army abandoned Fort Phantom Hill, fire destroyed most of the log walls and thatched roofs of the post building. However, much remains of the old fort for visitors to explore, inspect, and study, including 3 original stone buildings, an intact stone powder magazine, a stone guardhouse, and an almost intact commissary or warehouse, more than a dozen chimneys and stone foundations from the original fort. Just go out and go explore, because history is slowly starting to fade away, and it's up to us to get out there and start documenting some of the history. We hope that you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for others.